Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Muhammad Ahmad from Pakistan. I'm a plastic and hair restoration surgeon. Luckily, I'm few of those surgeons who got more than 150 scientific publications. I'm also the chief editor of Asian Hair Forum. I'm very honored to be among the founding faculty of Global Hair Loss Summit 2020. I'll be presenting quite a few lectures. These include various aspects of local anesthesia administration and techniques, the comparison of vertical and horizontal scalp mobilities. I'll be presenting first comprehensive classification of hair transection and first hair transplant assessment scale. I'll be discussing my technique of strip harvesting and a specially designed FUE punch. In short, the participants are going to quench their thirst from the extensive academic scientific program of the Summit 2020. Thank you.